Hey everyone, happy Tuesday and welcome back to our eBay Flips channel. So for today's recap, we got a total of 22 deals from our eBay leads. eBay OA we got 8 and then eBay RA we got 14. So all in all 22 leads for the day. So let's check some samples from our eBay leads today. We got here this deal that you could buy from 15.72 and sell it for 29.99, so double its price. Let's check this sample from Boots as well. Let's check the last two leads. This item, Minecraft Lights and Sound, that you could buy for 19.99 and sell for 44.80, double its price. And last is this 7 pound deal, a surprise advent calendar, and you could sell it for 26.95, almost four times its price. So check out all our leads for our eBay flips today because we got great finds for you. If you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you these servers, affiliate income, review giveaways, job opportunities, and bounty bonus. So if you're interested, guys, feel free to check all these channels out. And then another bot operated channel that we got for you is this price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drops of these websites. So check out all the latest price drop from Argos, guys, because they have a lot and mostly 70% price drops is given 50 to 70%. Of course, another bot operated channel that we got is this Amazon to eBay flips. If you're into flipping, you could see here all the latest deals from Amazon that you could sell to your eBay store. So check them out. And lastly, our general community wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That would be all for a recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day ahead. Bye, everyone.